Hello everyone, welcome to the Kapil Classes for English. Let's start the class, and today we are going to talk about some and all. How to use these words in English. Some and all. Some and all. If you use after these words, you can use countable noun and uncountable noun also. You know very well, countable noun means which nouns we can count, 1 2 3 we can use before them. Uncountable noun means which we cannot count. So after countable noun you have to use always plural sense. Countable noun will be plural always. Countable noun will come in plural sense, and verb is also plural. You know the plural verbs, you will find only 2 and 3 you find, like are and were and have. And after uncountable noun, the always it will be in singular sense. Uncountable noun will be always in singular sense, and you know countable noun is always singular. And as well as the verb would be always in singular sense, and the singular verb is and was and has. So after these words both noun comes, but countable this rule and uncountable is this rule. Let's have some example, like all money was spent in the party. The example is all money was spent in the party, and all friends, next example is, have gone from the party. So money is uncountable noun, that's why was singular verb will come. Countable noun, that's why have plural verb will come here. Plural verb is here. Next is some water is wasted while using RO. You can say when we use RO, there is some water which is wasted. The next is some rupees are spent in birthday party. The next example is some rupees are spent in birthday party. Water is uncountable, is here. Rupees is countable, that's why are here, always in plural sense. You can have more example also, like I have some sugar to make tea. You can use prepare also, and you can say I have some shirts to wear in the parties. You can use also. So after some, that is uncountable noun, after some, that is countable noun, and always in plural sense. All is well. That example I have made a video also on this topic. All is well and all are well. Here well means to describe uncountable things. Maybe it could be like everything. It gives the sense of everything, and everything is also treated in singular sense. And all means all are well means here it is telling the plural sense. You can say all is ready and all are ready. It means all is ready means it gives the sense of everything, and all are ready means it gives the plural sense. For example, you are in a class and 5 students are sitting. I came in the class and I can say all are ready to study. Yes sir, we all are ready to study. And if I say all is ready means light is ready, fan is ready, bench is ready, it means everything is ready to use. So this is the example. You can use also all is ready and all are ready. So these are some examples, these are some basic rules to use some and all. And if you have any question and query, kindly write in the comment box, and kindly keep subscribing the channel like you are doing also. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.